Hello kids, welcome to online class on maths. Today we will learn how to compare the numbers by using concept greater than, less than and equal to. So let's start. Let us understand this concept by using examples. In this example, on one side there are 6 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And another side 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 apples. So 6 apple side is more than 4 apples. So we can write this as 6 more than 4. And you can say that 6 apples more than 4 apples. 6 is more than 4. So this is the sign of more than. Next, count these ice creams on this side. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 ice creams in one side. And another side 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 ice creams in another side. So you can say that 3 ice creams less than 4 ice creams. You can also write these as 3 less than 4. This is a sign of less than. This is a sign of less than. This is a sign of less than. Now next example, there are 8 square on one side and also 8 square on another side. So on both sides there are equal square. We can write this 8 equal to 8, and you can say that 8 is equal to 8. Let's take another example. There are 6 stars on one side and another side there are 6 stars. On both sides there are equal stars. We can write this 6 equal to 6, and you can say that 6 equal to 6. Let's take another example. There are 6 triangle on one side and another side there are 6 triangle. So both side there are equal triangle. We can write this as 6 equal to 6. Let's take another example. Count this carrot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 carrots on one group. Count another group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 carrots on another group. So 6 is more than 5. 6 is more than 5. Count the strawberries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 strawberries on one group. Count another group of strawberries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 strawberries on another group. So 8 less than 10. 8 less than 10. Count these apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 apples on one group. Count another group of apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 apples on another group. Both group are equal. So 6 is equal to 6. Count this pair. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 pairs on one group. Count another group of pairs. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 pairs on another group. So 3 less than 4. Okay. Let us take another example. Count these trees. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 trees on one group. Count these trees. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 trees on another group. So, on both sides there are equal trees. So, 3 equal to 3. Next, count the chilies. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 chilies on one group. Next, count these lemons. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 lemons on another group. So, you can say that 3 less than 4. Next, count these candles. 1, 2. There are 2 candles. And count this another group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 candles on another group. So 2 is less than 6. 2 is less than 6. Count these balls. 1, 2. There are 2 balls on one group. Count this hand wash. 1, 2. There are 2 hand wash. On both sides there are equal. So 2 equal to 2. Now let us take another example with number 3 is more than 0. 3 is more than 0. 7 is less than 8. 7 is less than 8. 2 is more than 1. 2 is more than 1. Now 10 is more than 7. 10 is more than 7. Now 3 is less than 6. 3 is less than 6. Now 5 is less than 6. 5 is less than 6. And 4 is less than 8. 4 is less than 8. Okay. So today you have learned greater than, less than and equal to concept. Hope so you have understood this class. Thank you. Bye.